Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to hide a page in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to properly do this, we need to head over and install a plugin. So scroll down right here until you can see the option right here for plugins. Then click on this Add New Plugin right here. Once you're done with that, it will actually direct you to the plugin marketplace of WordPress. So let's try to search in here for a list post. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see some search results. Let's install this list post by Nikhil Kavan. So click on this one. And then from in there, click on this install and activate. And then it will install this particular plugin to your WordPress. Now it's been installed, so let's head back to our plugins. And then let's head over to a page that you want to hide. So let's head over to the pages options for this one. So here's pages right here. So let's click on our all pages and let's select in here a page that you want to hide. So I have these pages right here and I want to hide this particular page that I have, which is this news page. So what I can do is I can head over and click on this edit option. And once I have clicked on that, it will open the block editor of this particular page. Once it's been added right here, I just need to click on this icon, which is the settings icon, and I can see in here the page option. So from in here, scroll down and until you can see this unlist post. So click on this unlist post and this will hide the post from our site. And this post can only be accessed with direct URL related to this. So click on the save option right here and then this post will be hidden. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.